Hello and welcome to Patch Math, where today we are going to patch your math knowledge on exponent rules. Now I've gone ahead and uploaded all the exponent rules over here so you can see them. In this video, we are going to go ahead and focus in on the product rule. Real quickly, the product rule essentially states that when multiplying like bases, we can add those exponents. All right, let's say we have the following problem. First, we're going to want to show on that A that doesn't look like it has an exponent. It does. There is an invisible exponent of 1 there, and it is important here. If we are applying the product rule to a to the first power times a to the second power times a to the third power. That is simply a to the 1 plus 2 plus 3 power. And if we go ahead and simplify that, if we go ahead and simplify that on down, we get a to the 6th power. Moving on, let's say we have a problem like this. Now notice we jumped a little bit in difficulty. What's super important here is to identify what we can apply exponent rules to. And simply, if it's not a base with an exponent, we cannot apply exponent rules to it. Now it is important. We have this base B. There is an invisible exponent of 1 there. And we have this base A. There is an invisible exponent of 1 there as well. So you're going to go ahead and see me highlight my common bases and their exponents. Now notice only the base needs to match. The exponents can be different. Now notice those numbers on the outside, the 2 and 4, they are just good old-fashioned numbers. They are coefficients. We cannot apply exponent rules to them. And the number one thing a student will do wrong when learning exponent rules is applying it to non-exponents. In this case, that is 2 times 4, and that is 8. Now, applying exponent rules, we have our common base of A, and then we have like bases, so we can add that exponent of 2 to that exponent of 1. And we can go ahead and simplify that down if we want to, but I'm going to save it for the next step. I'm going to go ahead and look at my common base of B. You'll see that we have B to the power of 1 times B to the power of 2. So that is 1 plus 2. Simplifying that on down, we have 8 times A to the 2 plus 1 is 3 power, and B to the 1 plus 2 is 3 power. And that is our final answer here. Zooming on out, there are 2 problems patching your math knowledge on the product rule of exponents. Thank you so much for your time.